After I graduated from my first Vinyasa yoga teacher training, I had a secret. Even though already by then I loved yoga so much and I knew I wanted to teach it right away and for a very long time, I still didn't really know what yoga was or how to effectively teach it to a group. The first teacher training I did was in New York City, and it was certified through the Yoga Alliance. I'm not going to name any names. They gave us a script to memorize and a pretty decent sequence, but it really relied heavily on using music during class. So I came back to Pittsburgh and immediately started trying to teach. It wasn't too hard for me to find places to teach at because there wasn't really too many teachers looking like me. You know, basically the male ginger version of Beyonce. But I found some places to teach at, a gym, a nearby yoga studio, and an art gallery right down the street there. But every day before I taught a class, I had this horrible feeling inside. Low level of dread, quite high level of anxiety feeling. Why? Because I didn't really know what I was doing. I didn't have a solid framework to support teaching an effective yoga class, and I didn't want anyone to find out about it. So what did I do? Well, at first I tried to make the perfect playlist, come up with fun themes for each class. I practiced in the front of the room, barely looking at the class. I felt more confident doing the poses than guiding others on how to do them. Anyway, let's cut to the chase. After 2 years of already teaching yoga full-time and struggling, as chance or luck or fate, or some would even call it serendipity, would have it, I found this synchronized version of Vinyasa yoga from my teacher Philip Urso in Rhode Island. And I continued to deepen my practice of Bikram Hot Yoga and met my teacher Mary Jarvis. Through both of their excellent teachings, I've optimized this style of yoga that I continue to teach today. Now, after nearly 15 years of teaching yoga full-time, practicing every day, studying, researching, I've fortified these methods that are repeatable and super effective to truly teach yoga, and I'm best equipped to share them with you. Have you done a 200-hour teacher training in art teaching? Or maybe you have been for quite some time, but are feeling the way I did when I first started, secretly unsure of yourself and struggling. It's not you, it's not your fault. It's more likely the 200-hour training you did. A lot of the stuff out there has really little use in guiding a class and helping your students gain the real benefits of yoga. It goes way beyond the movements. Ideally, the physical yoga practice is only a facilitator for the deeper levels of yoga, the mental and emotional and spiritual growth, the connection to the elements of life that most people don't get a chance to experience, but they can, and you can help them. A connection to something greater than just you, your lower self, your ego, a connection to totality, and more knowledge, wisdom, and understanding, and patience to make your experience in this world more peaceful. Better for you, and more importantly, better for those around you. To pay it forward, to more and more be the change we want to see in the world. So let's do it. If not now, then there is only now. This is what I'm sharing in my Unity Vinyasa teacher trainings. You'll learn what yoga really is, how to most effectively teach it in a group class, and how to best utilize it to improve your life. Sound good? A lot of people who see this, your ego might take over and come up with a bunch of reasons why what I'm saying is wrong or that I'm full of it or whatever. But I guarantee, if you take my training and you haven't felt an improvement, felt a difference in how you teach and how you practice yoga, and how you show up in your life, especially handling challenging situations, I will give you a refund for the training. I've done the work and I continue to do it, but now my work is to inspire others, to inspire you to do the work as well, and as cliche as it might sound at this point, to pay it forward. Unity Vinyasa Yoga Teacher Training Continuing Education with Michael Miracles. The next session is Sunday, September 28th, 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. at Metta. Don't miss your chance to level up your teaching skills.